everybody, and welcome to Wednesday, September 22nd. For today, chicos, we're going to be doing quite a bit. We are finally getting into the other side of the sky, and we are doing some vocabulary predictions, which I will go over in just a moment. Today we did for our Do Now, our 30-day writing challenge, day 17. So we spent 10 minutes on that with our timer going. And then we started the other side of the sky vocabulary predictions. Before we did our vocab predictions, we watched a quick video, and then we finally did our first read of the other side of the sky. What is going to be due to me Tuesday, September 28th in class after the grading period has closed is building background of the other side of the sky notes and the other side of the sky vocabulary predictions, okay? So, the building background, those are the notes we did when you guys were actively building background when we were learning about Afghanistan and everything. And then just announcements, we have all periods today, 6-week grades are due on Friday, turning in all missing assignments because all assignments will close. Okay, let's get into it. So we are going to have, in order for us to do vocabulary predictions before we read our story, we need to make sure that we are understanding context clues. We watched this video on BrainPop, and we did a little bit of context clues work and understanding what words mean. Then, in Google Classroom, you went all the way down to Study Sync Semester 1, Unit 1, In Pursuit. You're going to go down to right here where it says Building Background. Oh, I'm sorry. Right here, Building Background. This is our vocab predictions, okay? I have a video on it and also the same BrainPop. Whoops, there's the bell. And then you are going to go ahead and complete this, okay? You're going to list 4 facts that you learned during the presentation. And then you are going to go ahead and list what you think each of these words mean. So, for example, I did ablutions for you guys. I thought that ablutions meant prayers. So, you're going to write down in this sample box what you think it means. If you think prosthetic means plastic, you're going to write down plastic. Then, you are going to Google it. Once you have predicted all of these words, you are going to write, you're going to copy. If you got it wrong or if you got it right, you're going to drag it over. For example, I got ablutions wrong, that's why I have an X there. Okay? Then you're going to put the actual dictionary definition. So ablution actually means the act of washing oneself. You're going to do that for all 4 of these words. I have the BrainPop video right here on the left if you need to watch it again, if you need a little bit more help, okay? Once you have that done, you are going to go ahead and turn that into Google Classroom. You're going to click View Assignment, and it will give you the option to turn it in, okay? So that's just what we are working on for today. And then we are finally reading The Other Side of the Sky. Again, you can access it through Study Sync. I have a tutorial up in the same block under Study Sync, right down here. Study Sync sign-in tutorials for you guys to be able to, sign in and be able to read the other side of the sky. All right, guys. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me before or after school. Email me, and I'll get back to you guys. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class.